speed blindfold, and this time I decided to do a speed blindfold, and I took a first scramble from QQ timer, and I memorized it with CFOP for a couple of hours, and I'm gonna use this for a blindfold because I don't have a real blindfold, but you can't see through it. I'm gonna have it over my head completely like this, so you're not going to see anything. And this is the scramble key, as you can see. Not a ridiculously easy scramble. I'm actually gonna do the yellow cross, and I only have one piece solved, so yeah, it's just the first scramble. So I'm going to start. I'm just going to take a couple of seconds. Oh my god, so nice. So look, here I got a this is because I failed stopping the timer, so I got 393, but as you probably, I hope, can see here, earlier, before that I got a 877, but I wanted to press the timer or the space bar a couple of times more to be sure I stopped the timer.